What up, guys? How's it going? I hope everybody had a good holiday. I'm just feeding these guys some pellets here because it's been day 3 and we've got some wigglers. See those little black things back by the pillar? I know you don't really see it that much, but here's the eggs that weren't fertilized, but then the black ones behind the pillars, they're actually wigglers. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, but we got some wigglers. Awesome. Let me see if I can poke back here. Yeah, they're all over. That black stuff right there behind them pillars, that's wigglers. More wigglers. It's only been day 3, but I'll keep you guys updated. It's only been day 3. They're barely wiggling today, so awesome.